In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Invideo AI Premium. First, make sure you're logged into your Invideo account. Once you're inside your dashboard, move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. There you should see a button labeled Upgrade. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to the main pricing page where all the available premium plans are displayed. On this page, you'll see several options for individual users, such as Plus, Max, Generative, and Elite. Each plan is shown in a card layout, and every card includes the monthly price and a summary of the features included. Take a moment to look at these side by side. This comparison is really helpful for understanding which plan best matches how often you use Invideo and what kind of projects you usually create. You'll also notice an annual billing toggle. When you turn this on or off, the prices will update to show you the difference between paying monthly and paying annually. Typically, annual plans work out cheaper per month, so it's worth switching that toggle back and forth to see which option makes the most sense for your budget. Once you've reviewed the features and the pricing and decided on the plan you want, click the Get button on that specific plan. The page will reload and move you into the checkout area. Now you'll see the full pricing details for the plan you selected. If Invideo detects that you're in a different country, it may show prices in your local currency. If you prefer, you can switch between your currency and US dollars using the currency option on the page. Take a second to confirm everything looks correct. On this same screen, you'll also see the email address currently associated with your Invideo account. Make sure this is the account where you want your premium subscription to be active. Next, choose your payment method. You can typically pay by card or by Google Pay. Select your preferred option, then carefully enter the required payment details. Below that, there's an optional checkbox that lets you save your information for faster checkout in the future. Enable this if you want a smoother process next time. You'll also need to check the box confirming that you agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, as this is required to continue. Once everything is filled out and confirmed, simply click the subscribe button. After a brief moment, your payment will process, your account will be upgraded, and that's it. You're now on Invideo AI Premium and ready to start using your new features.